All right, what's up YouTube? I wanted to show the difference on the stock 5.0 throttle body versus the aftermarket performance throttle body. This is from BBk. I got this from Stage 3 Motorsports. This is their Stage 3 kit, cold air tuner throttle body. So you can clearly tell that this is a bigger throttle body. So pretty cool. Can't wait to put it in. All right, there it is. I got the cat installed, torqued it down. Oh, no, sorry. I got the BBk throttle body installed. It's just those 4 Allen key bolts and the, not cannon plug, but the connector. Super easy. All right, so I got the throttle body and the cold air intake installed. The only issues I had was this filter is actually a little hard to get on the tube here, and to actually take the filter out and clean it, you'll actually have to take obviously this box off, but you might even have to disattach it from the throttle body itself because you got to get it up. I had to put the filter on the bench with the tube out to push it on there and tighten it on there, and then put it all back in. So maybe servicing it and cleaning it might be a little difficult, but it looks awesome. I like this plate. That's pretty cool. Other than that, it's nice because here's your map sensor, and it comes with this extension cord that wraps around and plugs in. You need your stock one. The only issue I had on the truck side was the actual red retaining clip tab broke, so I can pull this out really easily. It's not locked into place, but I just zip tied it to this wire loom harness, so it'll keep it there nice and snug. But otherwise, it's got good clearance. Throttle body looks good. Everything's tightened down, so super easy to put in. I really like it. Can't wait to see how it sounds. I guess we can start it up. Don't feel any air leaks anywhere. Very cool. There's no way for me to rev it up, so I just have to do it from the cab. But otherwise, tomorrow I'll get my custom tunes downloaded to the Bully Dog and tune this bad boy. So pretty sweet. So I'll just push the pedal. There definitely is a better sound on that intake. So you can definitely hear it.